Your cutoff saw uses a dual-element air filter system. Air first passes through the pre-filter and then through the air filter. The pre-filter removes the largest particles of debris before they come to the main filter. The pre-filter is made of foam and is oiled to encourage dust and dirt to stick to it. The pre-filter should be inspected each time the saw is used. It should be washed and oiled after each 8 hours of use. When the filter starts to wear or crumble, it should be replaced. Replacing the pre-filter is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the top cover from the saw. With the cover removed, now I can remove the pre-filter. The new pre-filter will need to be oiled before I install it. I'll place the filter into a plastic bag. I'll pour some 2-cycle oil on either side, and now work the oil into the filter. I'll use a rag to blot any excess oil out of the filter. With the filter oiled, now I can install it into the housing. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the top cover. And that's how easy it is to install a new pre-filter in your cutoff saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up